For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Wrangler Miami Luggage and Packing Cubes Desert Taupe 4-piece set is ideal if you want a solid travel setup that actually works in real-world situations. I've personally used this set during a short business trip, and I was genuinely impressed by how smooth the whole experience was, from packing to hotel check-in. Here's what's inside the set. A 25-inch hardside expandable check-in suitcase. A 20-inch hardside expandable carry-on luggage. A 15.5-inch packing cube. A 12-inch packing cube. Both suitcases come with 4 spinner wheels for full 360-degree mobility. I tested them through 2 airports and a hotel lobby with carpeted floors. The wheels didn't catch or drag, which is a big deal for me. The 25-inch suitcase weighs 8.26 pounds and the 20 carry-on is 6.5 pounds, which made lifting and rolling both very manageable. The expandable feature came in handy when I returned with a few extra items, mainly gifts and some conference materials. And with top and side handles, pulling the suitcase off the baggage carousel was quick and didn't require awkward lifting. The packing cubes were more useful than I expected. The 15.5-inch cube, 15.5 inches by 12 inches by 4.5 inches, was perfect for organizing my shirts, while the 12 cube, 12 inches by 8 inches by 4.5 inches, held toiletries and cables in one spot. It made packing feel more structured, which I appreciated, especially when repacking in a rush. I also liked the desert taupe color. It has a professional, neutral tone that didn't easily show scuffs from the overhead bin or baggage claim. Overall, this set delivers practicality. No gimmicks, just smooth rolling luggage, smart packing space, and sizes that fit most travel needs. If you're like me and travel frequently for work or quick getaways, this set really handles the basics well without overcomplicating things. From someone who's tested several travel bags over the years, I can say Wrangler did a great job with balance, durability, design, and everyday function.